I'm Astrid.
Hi, I'm Stefan.
And we make up Adventures with Astrid. I'm super excited to have you come with us on so many adventures. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Good morning.
All right, we are in Zurich.
We are.
We're gonna go on walkabout. Yeah, I didn't get the airport yesterday or any of the airplane stuff. I get it. I blew it.
But it was really long. How long were we traveling yesterday?
We had 44 hours total in the air without sleeping.
Good morning.
So we're gonna go and walk about. I'm gonna slowly turn the camera so you see these cool stairs. And then we're gonna go down the Talstrasse down to the park and the whole 9 yards. We'll check it out.
Yeah.
And we're at Citizen M here in Zurich. So
yeah, fun fact, there is Citizen M's around the world too.
So cool stairs, so we're not going to take the lift. We had coffee this morning. Spiral staircase.
So good.
Good stuff. All right, so we're gonna go and walk about. We saw an iX3 actually.
Well, we'll leave that up to the gentleman called here. I believe it.
It was an iX3.
So we do see these scooter things all over the place.
Oh, we do. There's electric scooters everywhere. So there's more just walking through Old Town, and it's so pretty. You just don't see architecture like this at home. All the old buildings where a new building is like the 1700s. Little gardens and fountains everywhere. Ironwork and little statues. It's just gorgeous. So cool. So different. Alright, more touring around Old Town with this really cool old church.
Hiya! We just heard the most beautiful serenade in a church. We would have taken you, but you know, church, be respectful.
Operatic and beautiful. But yeah, look at this view. Here at the river.
The sun is opened up for us.
It's fantastic.
Do you like stained glass?